Hey, welcome back to your girl Brittanee, and welcome back to part 2 of my Christmas in July swap that I hosted over with my crew of the BB's Crafty Peeps. And I cannot wait to dig into these. Oh my goodness. Are you guys ready? I am. Let's do this. So kickstarting off this video, we have my girl Tiffany. You can find her at Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill here over on the tube. And it's her saying her name also makes me feel like I'm doing like a rap DJ's name. And this is so cute. And yes, y'all can see my little love note. Don't worry about it. Mind your business. And we have a topper with a little apron. Oh, and she had the nerve to put some little twine up there. And then, of course, we got a nice little coffee cup with the milk hearts, and we have some pumpkin pie, and we have a little gingerbread. It says Merry Christmas. She added the white accents to give it a little bit more dimension and movement. And then, oh, this is so cute. So let's open her up. So here is her card, Handmade with Love by Tiffany McGill. Of course, the swap information says that it is a swap. And then, of course, again, Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill. And then her cute little symbol there. Adorbs. And my love note was just saying that the notebook that she has gifted, mine is pink, and then the rest are blue. She knows pink is my favorite color. So, meh. Look at how cute this is. It says Holly Jolly. We have the little ginger here. And she had glisten and gloss this bad boy like it's like a real shiny, fresh out the oven cookie. Okay, and then inside, oh, you're so adorable. So it's a packaging within a packaging, one girl. And we have a little mixing bowl. This is so cute. This is so cute. Then she has all the little gingers. This says Baking Spirits Bright. And then she has like the little gingerbread Christmas tree and a heart. She stickled the bowl. Again, it's all glistening and shiny. Oh wait, is this her tag? Oh shoot, it was like stuck on there. So dang, you weren't supposed to be at the start of the show. But oh, this is still so cute. So this is her tag. And I thought it was like a whole nother, like, because it was like stuck on there. So, man, you weren't supposed to be seen yet. But it's all right. So she has her two from. We got another little cookie there. Oh, this is so adorable. Oh, look at all the little gingers. Oh, they're so cute. And then the little book that she made. I want to make sure I don't mess this up. Okay, so that's a little tuck spot for it to stay closed. It says So Sweet. And then we just open her up and we have a little sticky notepad. Adorable. I love this idea with the little insert tab there. Super, super cute. And then just like her, the stuff had got stuck on her thing, but you know, I can fix that. Watch. And so just like her bag topper, she has the pie, she has the coffee, she has this cute little apron with the twine on there, and then the little glistened up gingerbread. And then she did a Velcro closure for hers. So we have, boop, boop. Okay, make sure I got everything. So here are her die cuts. I couldn't even think of the word. I was gonna say cut aparts. And she also added some backing here with embossing, so you can use that too if you want to. It's cute little music notes. I bet the song is probably like fa la 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 la. But here we have some rolling pins. So this one says Santa's Secret Recipe, but then she left the other ones blank, so we can go ahead and add our own little bits. Now she did tell me that she added a few extra ones because of the sizing of it, which is perfectly fine. And then we got some little naked gingers. Let's go ahead and put some clothes on them later. You know, trying to have yourself all exposed and whatnot, you know, respect yourself. And then this one here is all nice and glistened up with buttons. Oh, sticking. With the little buttons there, and then like the embellishments of the arms and legs. And then we have the cute little stockings. Oh, look at it. It's all shiny. Ooh, love it. So cute. And then here she has gifted, ooh, I like this pen. And there's 3 colors. What? Get out. What? Where my little notebook at? Sorry, y'all know I love me some pens. Let me play with this real quick. Ooh, blue, and red. Okay, I'm bringing this to work because I need all them colors. And then you just do that. Okay, I need that. I like that. Y'all know I love me a fun pen. Yes. And then here, oh, for cute, it says for Santa on there with the little cocoa, coffee, whichever one. I like them both. I'll take them both. And we have flowers on this one. I think they go this way. Go this way? Oh, yes, because it's curled up. Cute little flowers here. Ooh, this paper feels like super soft. I don't know what it is. The texture is just like extremely soft. So stinking cute. Thank you so much for supporting your girl and mailing all the way from outside the country. Thank you, girl. Guys, make sure you go show your love to Tiffany at Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill. Next up, we have Patricia Johnson, and you can find her at PJ's Kitchen Table Crafts. And this is how her swap came. Now, she does have a shaker. This one did not survive very well, but I can fix it. It didn't survive, but the other two did, so I want to make sure that her partners receive it so they can get it in its entirety. But that's okay. I mean, it's okay. Easy fix. But super cute. She has a really pretty glittered stocking at the top, and then she has the word believe with its shadow. And then initially the shaker bits, we have like the hearts, and we have the little pink peppermints, we have silver iridescent. It's so pretty, fun colors there. And then inside she used stickable tape. Make sure I got everything. No, there's still some stuff hiding in there. Come out, wherever you are. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do her die because she had them in this cute little pouch here with the little thumb notches, and she did some word dies. So we have bright, believe, Santa, we have Christmas, bells, and Mary. So thank you very much for that. Cute little pouch, love it. And then we have more words. Jingle and joy. It does bring us joy. And then I didn't see this here. So again, it's the information of the swap. And again, she is PJ's Kitchen Table Craft. And I hope you like everything I made for you. And then so her embellishment, she did bows here. Really pretty paper collection that she used. Very traditional. And we have these adorable little bows. I love the little cutouts in the center of them. And then she has a little gold circle center. So very adorbs. And then her tag. Oh, cutie. Look at the little stocking. Love the paper choices you use for the sock portions. It says joy in the center. She has the holly berries. She used some red eyelash trim as her hanging element. There is her to from. So stinking cute. Thank you so much for participating. Again, guys, this is Patricia Johnson, and she is PJ's Kitchen Table Craft. And last but not least, we have Joaquina, and you can find her at WB1206 Crafts, and I am in love with this tag. Oh my goodness, look at the little girl. Oh my goodness, she looks so bougie. I love it. She is so cute. And she has little presents here. It says stay warm. Look, she is flossing in that glitter dress. Boy, I tell you what, that is so cute. And then again, we have the swap information. And again, you can find her at WB1206 Crafts over on the gram. And we're going to open her up. Oh, she pulled out all the stamps. Okay, yes, hunty. Look at this cute little pouch she made. I don't know if this is handmade or if it was an SVG, but this is for cute. And she has little flowers there. She has that, what is it, that Michael's collection. It came out like what, 3-4 years ago, but it's so popular. We love it. And then she's oh my goodness, oh, so she gave a little zipper bag. It says dream chaser. Yes ma'am, all day every day. And then looks this cute little bag topper. She has a snowflake. She has a little scallop trim and a button. Ooh, girl after my heart. So you have the absolute cutest, teeny tiny little boxes. And look at these pretty flowers she added. She has the stamens in the middle, has the really pretty ribbon going all the way around, and it just slides open like so. These are so cute. And then look at this one here. And this is sturdy. I thought there was something inside of it, honestly, because of how sturdy it is. So this is just a cute little gift that she made. So you can go ahead and add like little trinkets. Like the Hershey little nuggets, like that would probably fit perfectly in these, but that is so cute. And then again, the cute little flower there, these are adorable. And like I said, these are like really sturdy. So thank you thank you so much for that. And then here, oops, oh wait, there's more. And then she's also, ooh, okay, Bella Bath and Beauty Indulgence. Ooh. Rose hip oil, mud mask. Okay, wasn't I saying bougie at first? Not bougie in a bad way, but it's like, okay, girl, yes. And I'm loving the pink. It's doing it for me. And then look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness. We have this really pretty, it's kind of like a snowflake dye in the background here. We have some white snowball trim, really pretty glittered star. Have a penguin just chilling and skating. Little nutcracker in the background with a snowflake. It says all bundled up. She used a clothespin and added a cute little bow on top of that for her closure. And then as we dip inside, oh, let's hide that. Let's hide that, shall we? Oh, wait. So these are her embellishments. Okay. Okay. I've put it all together now. These are her embellishments, which are very cute. Like, out of the box. But now that I've put it all together. But that is so stinking cute. Love it. All right. So here she has a cute little envelope. Has some fun little Francois. I don't know all French, okay? If it was Spanish, I could read it. If it's French, nah. And so we have our die cuts here. Make sure I grab them all. Okay. And this one says, hello. And then we have beautiful. Come on, baby. We have beautiful. And then, oh my goodness. Actually, I have this die. This little envelope die. So cute. And it comes with like the little piece that you write on. It's so adorable. And then the little glitter penguin. Oh my goodness, I love you. And then we have the nutcracker here. And then we have this cute little present. Adorable. Oh, I love this pink one. You're just so... And look, you can literally create an embellishment like right off the bat. Hello. Beautiful. Bada bing, bada boom. Embellishment. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, I digress. All right, and then on to her tag. Look at how cute this is. It's a present, and she has the little bear going on here with the little scarf that she used for ribbon. The cute little gem on this center, and it says hugs and kisses. The elements of the present are popped up with dimension, as well as the bear and the sentiment. And she has her to from right there. Really pretty yarn. Whatchamacallit? Ombre. Ombre yarn that she used for her hanging element. How adorable are you? Love. Oh, how cute is that? So guys, make sure you check out Joaquina at WB1206 crafts. Oh my goodness, I'm losing it. And then while you're at it, make sure you go say what's up to Patricia at PJ's Kitchen Table Crafts. And don't you stop there. Go say what's up to my girl Tiffany at Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill. Thanks so much for tuning in to part 2. I will have more videos coming for you guys as I get them. Thanks so much for hanging out. Make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.